The Chrysler 2.7 LV6 engine is infamous for oil sludge buildup and timing chain failures, often leaving owners with hefty repair bills. This engine serves as a stark reminder of reliability issues in the automotive industry. Similarly, Ford's Triton 5.4L V8 engine has been plagued by problems like spark plug blowouts and excessive oil consumption, resulting in catastrophic failures often before the 50,000-mile mark. These issues have left loyal Ford customers frustrated. Transitioning to General Motors, the Vortec 5300 engine presents another example of problematic engineering, leading to various reliability concerns that undermine vehicle performance and owner satisfaction. Grasping these issues is essential for potential buyers. Moreover, the GM 5.3L V8 engine experienced excessive oil consumption due to a flawed piston ring design, resulting in premature engine failure. Owners often found themselves frequently topping off their oil, which exacerbated the situation. On another note, Nissan's 5.6L V8 engine suffered from catalytic converter failures that caused severe internal engine damage. Coupled with overheating issues, these problems led to costly repairs and diminished reliability. In the case of Dodge's 6.7L Cummins diesel engine, despite its robust power, it faced significant challenges like turbocharger and fuel system failures. These issues resulted in expensive repairs, causing frustration among many owners. Numerous truck owners have shared distressing stories of incurring thousands in repairs due to these engine issues, illustrating a sense of frustration and helplessness that underscores the severity of the problem. Manufacturers' responses to these widespread issues have varied, with companies like Chrysler and Nissan criticized for their lack of accountability. This shortcoming has further eroded consumer trust in these brands. Experts attribute these engine failures to cost-cutting measures and increasingly complex engine designs, which introduce new failure points and reliability concerns. These factors significantly contribute to the ongoing issues. In response, several class action lawsuits have been filed against manufacturers such as GM, Ford, and Nissan for known defects. These cases highlight a troubling pattern of negligence within the automotive industry. To navigate this landscape, consumers are advised to conduct thorough research on engine reliability and read consumer reviews prior to purchasing a truck. Recognizing red flags, such as excessive oil consumption, is crucial to avoiding costly repairs. The significance of warranties cannot be overstated, as they provide essential peace of mind. A robust powertrain warranty can safeguard buyers against unexpected repair costs on newer models. Financial difficulties often arise for truck owners facing exorbitant repair bills and lost income due to engine failures. This predicament can be particularly devastating for small business owners who rely heavily on their trucks. Moreover, the emotional toll of owning a problematic truck can lead to eroded trust in manufacturers. Numerous personal stories illustrate how engine issues disrupt both work and family life. Unreliable engines can tarnish a manufacturer's reputation, prompting consumers to seek alternatives. Brands such as Toyota thrive in this shift, maintaining a strong reputation for reliability. Currently, the right to repair legislation is gaining momentum across various states, empowering truck owners with greater control over their vehicles. This movement is vital for promoting transparency within the industry. As a recommendation, truck buyers should prioritize brands that provide strong warranties and demonstrate proven reliability. This demand is instrumental in pushing manufacturers to enhance customer satisfaction and product quality. Looking forward, technological advancements and consumer pressure are poised to improve truck reliability significantly. Innovations such as electric powertrains and refined manufacturing processes play a crucial role in this evolution.